Hey guys, a lot of you have been following my channels for many years now. I've probably seen that I use Lavalier mics a lot, these ones. These are actually wired mics, which means I always have to have the wire towards my camera. Well, I heard a bit about the Hollyland Lark M2 wireless microphone system and thought I'd give it a try. The main reason being is I use my iPhone a lot for filming as well, and it's very hard to get the iPhone 15 Pro Max volume to adjust. So with this actual device here, it actually gives you the ability to be able to adjust the volume through the actual transmitter, as you can see just there. So I'm going to unbox this today, set it up, actually test it for you guys so you can see exactly how it works and what we think. But straight away, look at the size of that microphone. So that's what sits on your collar. That's what you actually use to talk into it. Now, it gives you a lot more flexibility regards to wires. A lot of the time I'm getting tangled in wires, it's a pain, but you can also use it for cameras. So you connect this to your camera and use the jack here, the TRS jack, to actually then use it for your camera as well. So let's jump in now, look at the unboxing, and then let's come back and set it up. Guys, if you love our reviews, we want to give back to you. We're doing a number of giveaways at the moment. So if you look below, there's a link where you can win thousands of dollars worth of prizes. We're giving away earbuds, speakers, headphones, we're giving away pool cleaners, all below. The more times you enter, the more chance you have to win, and it's our way of giving back to you. So check out links below, and make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and keep updated for more giveaways. Anyway, back to the video. Here we're doing an unboxing of the Lark M2 wireless lavalier microphone set. And as you can see, there's the box just there. Nice packaging as well. Looks like it's going to be a good quality product. A bit more about what comes with it too. So yeah, it's going to have a look. Now we've got this because we use both a camera and we also use an iPhone to record. So the iPhone Pro 15 Max is quite difficult to record, so we needed something else because the iPhone Pro 15 Max you couldn't change the volume. So this you can. So here we are. So here's the set here. Now here's the case that it comes in. So there's the actual case where the microphone sit and also the microphone volume. We'll look at that shortly, we'll come back to it. And here we've got the actual adapter. So these are the adapters that go into your USB device or your iPhone, just there. As again, you can also use this with camera too, so we'll look at that too. And open it up. So, and here's the basic instruction guide on how to set it up and what to do. We'll go into that later. And a bit more about some of the cables. This is how you can use it on cameras and windshield so you don't get the wind coming through and different things. So we go into here and open up this box, and here you've got the carrying case. So this has all the cables in here we just spoke about. So let's take a look, move that to the side. So here's the cables just here. So we've got the windshield there, another windshield for the mic. You've got a carrying cable, and you've got the USB-C cable here as well, and some magnetic clips there as well if you want to clip them on. Let's go back to the actual device itself. So there we are. So this has got 40 hours battery life. Now these themselves are apparently 9 grams, so they're very, very light. So you can see, so they're magnetic. So you pop that off. So you can put onto your clothes. And see the magnet just then actually. Look at that. Wow. Very magnetized. So you get 2 of those here that you can use. So put that back. And you've also got the actual receiver here. So this is where the receive it to the actual device. So this itself is what goes onto the actual device you're using to pair it with. So you can put this onto, say, for a camera, for example, or a USB-C if you want to use an iPhone. And then this is what you go and put on the actual device you're looking at receiving from too. So that's how you do it. So that's how it works. So you put this on put this on the camera, and you can put this on the phone. So yeah, we're going to see exactly how this works shortly and set it up for you. But again, very, very easy. It looks like straight out of the box. It's very easy to actually use. And again, the components feel like good quality as well, which is what you need. So there it is there. Isn't that lovely? Okay, great. So here we are setting it up now. As you can see, it looks like a good quality package, but the most important thing is, does it actually work? So we've got the box here with the 2 mics in there, as you can see. And we've also got the receiver. So the receiver is what sits on the camera. Now, I'm gonna go and put this on my Sony ZV-1, just here. I'm gonna clip it onto the back of it. Now it is paired automatically with it. See the blue lights flashing there? So I'm just gonna go and grab it and actually stick it to the back. I'm actually gonna go and take out the microphone now. So the microphone's gonna stop working on here. You're gonna get the sound from the camera. Keep up the top. So if you guys wanna have a look at what that looks like. Now, I'm going to now get the magnetic microphone and put it here. So I can already see the volume of the speaker coming through. So if I talk louder like this, as you could probably hear, it's gone very extreme there. Sorry about that, probably hurt your ears. So I don't need this microphone anymore. So I'll pop this here and start talking now. So give you a remote. Now instead of put it on your collar, don't drop it, put it on my collar just like that. So what I've got to do is, so I'll just move this to start with. We don't need this anymore, do we? Yay, I feel free. So like that, and put it on my collar. So just there. That one. Make it the right way around. So that's the magnet, it's got to go the right way around. Just put that like this. There. Now I'm talking to you guys. Now I can see in the indicator on my camera, the stain below the red zone. So red zone is when you're talking, you need to make sure it doesn't move much further than that. But as you can see, I can move around now without having to worry about the camera. So I can come over here now and be talking to you guys and it's just saying, hello. So that's through the camera. Now you can also do it through your iPhone if you want, so that's how you do it through using a camera. We'll show you guys later how to do it through an iPhone as well in a separate video. There's links below if you wish to look at that. But as you can see, very versatile, easy to use, good quality sounding microphone, straight out of the box. So guys, been very impressed. The Hollyland mic system is really good as well. And it's a lot cheaper as well than something like the Rode Go, which I was looking at previously too. So yeah.